In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use Google News to do almost everything for you and make money online, no sale required. The first thing you need to do is go to trends.google.com so you can find what's trending right now. Then you want to click on trending. You want to see what keywords are trending right now and what topics are people most interested in right now. And once you find the most interesting moments at the time, you just want to copy that keyword. For example, we have this keyword right here. Now what we can do is we can search in Google, which is currently a trending keyword that a lot of people are interested in. Then you want to do the Google News, and when you find at least news, it shows you the latest news related to that keyword that happened in that last 24 hours. You basically just want one of the open article calls from Google News. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. The next thing you want to do is go to Meevee, which is basically a Facebook alternative, but you want to sign up for this social media platform for free, and you want to find groups that you're doing on Facebook, basically like whatever groups or anything related to that Meevee that you're found on Google. Maybe basically you're just trying to find communities that are interested in that topic. If I'm going to promote that news article that talks about the later, then I can search for whether I can find this group, that I can fill them in my groups, and I can join those free groups. That basically I join the groups for free so I can post there. Then all you have to do is go back to that Google article, and then you copy the title of that Google article, and when you do that, you can go to Canva and you can just create a very simple design in Canva. I even made a template here that you can use as well, or just go to Canva and then search for new news patterns, and then you just want to create a post that showcases Google News content. So after you have processed, you post, download it. The next thing you want to do to earn money from Google News without selling products or services is to use CPA Grip, and you can create content locker on this platform. You get paid when someone enters their email address and you don't have to sell anything. For example, someone can just enter their email address to increase their chance of winning gift card. But for content shelves, when the audience clicks on your link, for example, they have to solve a few offers so that the content will be displayed for them, and in the same way you will be paid. So here we can easily create a content locker because we want to send people to that Google News article. At the end, we send, save, and copy the link. So the first thing you can do is reach out through Facebook or maybe Meevee groups. For that matter, you just want to share the blog. In this case, we will share the image that we made in Canva here, then they also want to share a link to the content locker so they can read the full article here. Actually, they have to complete the offer and they respond to this. The order in which they complete these offers will be displayed to them and you will be paid on CPA Grip.